Welcome back to Easy Crafts. Today we'll be making a bird bath, so let's get started. The materials we'll be needing are 2 3D birds, 1 tray, some pebbles, some pearls, 1 shell, and a hot glue gun. So get your 3D birds and put them at the edge of the tray. Just like that. So then get your pebbles and shell and start placing them on your tray to give that natural look. After placing your pebbles, start hot gluing them. After hot gluing our pebbles, we're going to make our bird bath look beautiful by using our pearls. Get your pearls and hot glue them at the edge of the tray. Now our beautiful bird bath is ready. We're ready to serve our thirsty birds. Hope you enjoy this craft. See you next time. Happy crafting!